woman who has lost all her sense of decorum. Look at this one. You call yourself a city girl. Still yet, common English language you cannot speak. Look at me. You looked at me from head to toe and called me decoration. You cannot speak English. And now let me tell you, it is you and your entire family that are decoration. Do you understand? And let me tell you, you cannot take my man. You cannot take Raymond away from me because all the packaging you think you have, I have more than it. Baby, look at my baby. You have a bowl. I have a bowl. It's at home. Even my baby talks. Hey, I pass you in every round. Let me tell you something. Hello. Let me tell you something. Oh yeah. What is it? You are really a moron. I'm telling you the truth. You're a village champion. So let me tell you, if you think my Raymond, my own Raymond, we abandon all of this and come for you. You're a big joker. I may have to educate you one bit. Before you talk to me next time, you have to clean up yourself very well. Because for now, you smell like a croaker fish. Look at this thing. Hey, you are calling me a fish. Now let me tell you, you are nothing but pala, parapasa, oboroko, and mangala. All of them, that is what you are. Look at this winchy. Winchy! You think you can come from the city and use your juju and take my man? You cannot. All the things you think you have, I have more than it. Are you finer than me? Do you know how much I bought this makeup? Can you buy it? Now, for now I'm done with you. But just have it in mind that Raymond can never come for you. Now listen, you cannot stop me here and say you are done with me. I can only tell you when I am done with you. Let a smiling of your lips, you make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. You're the apple of my eyes, you're the bright of my day, like the sun. I'm strong. Let a smiling of your lips, you make my heart go. Can you calm down and stop crying? Wipe your tears. Oli. Mom, I don't understand any of this. Mom, what is wrong in having good times with my friends? What is wrong with that, Mom? All my life I've been held up in this boring house. All my life. Just now, Mom. Just now, that is overreacting. Calm down. You can't call your father's house a boring place. He's not overreacting. Your father loves you. He wants the best for you. Don't tell me this, Mommy. Don't talk about love here, Mom. Don't tell me love. If he loves me, he cannot punish me to the village. He cannot do that, Mom. Who am I going to stay in the village with? Olivia, you mean going to your village to have a little time there is banishment? Come on. That is your house. In fact, it's an adventure. Go there, enjoy yourself, sow your wild oats, and trust me, you will love it. Back in the village, when I was growing up, I loved it. I still love it till date. You're going to find something very interesting when you get there. So calm down. See it as something nice. You know I love you very much and I want it to be well with you. Go there. It's for your good. blocking the road.
Yes. Please, my apologies, okay? My car just parked up. I don't know what happened.
Oh, I understand. But I don't know any other route to my father's compound. This is just the road I know. I don't know what to do about it.
Where in particular?
I'm going to Oranta.
Oranta.
Yeah.
There are many routes leading to Oranta. Even shorter ones.
Oh, really?
Sure.
Okay. Do you mind showing us the place?
Without pleasure.
Okay. What about your car?
I called the mechanic, okay? I already sent him the location of the place. So he will come get the car. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. I join you.
Never wanna see you cry. Never wanna see you sigh. Anytime I do bad, no fail to tell me there's no need to be shy. I know say me I no be perfect man, no, but for your sake.
So you stay in the city? Wow, that's nice.
Thank you. I and my family have always followed that road to my village. We didn't know that there are other roads that leads to my village.
No, there are many routes leading to your village. You know, I visit the village often, so I know all the nooks and crannies also.
Good for you.
Please, can you tell him to stop me here?
Okay, stop.
Let me
Well,
stop.
how are you going to go back?
Never mind. You say what? See this route? Yeah. Follow it straight, and straight down. It will lead you to Oranto.
Okay. Like I said, how are you going to go back?
You care too much. Well, never mind. I'll find my way.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I should be the one thanking you for understanding. Thank you very much. I appreciate this.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate it.
All right.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, can you shift a little? Let me just a little. It's okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Such a nice guy. Baby, he's such a nice guy. He just showed us.
Daughter!
I miss you! Baby, sorry.
Look at you.
Mama.
You're all grown. You're not a big girl.
And looking beautiful. Thank you, Grandma.
Turn around. Let me look at you. Turn around. Oh, look at that. Your backside. We used to say it was so flat. Now it's coming out. It's growing. It's good to see you. I didn't even hear you arrive.
Yeah, I've been searching for you all over outside there.
I must have left the front door open. How careless of me. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go inside. How's your father?
Fine, I'm really missing you, Grandma.
I miss you too. Look at my bag. Olivia's
Grandma, this is so delicious. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I decided to make something special for you. So delicious, Grandma. I like it. This thing you're carrying, let me hold it for you so you can eat well. It's not a tino. Grandma, this is my companion.
Your companion.
I can't do without it.
Okay. Let me hold it so you'll be more relaxed eating.
Mm. Okay, you promise me that you'll not drop it on the floor.
I won't drop it on the floor.
Okay.
Okay, good. Hi! This thing, it reminds me of those ones that your mother used to buy for you when you were young. But they were much smaller. This one has too much foam inside it. Hey, there was one of them you used
Grandma,
to...
the way you're pushing it.
Okay, sorry. You used to call it Aris or something like that.
Yes, Grandma, Ari.
Hey! I didn't hear the
Grandma,
name.
it's touching me.
What is touching you? It's touching you?
Don't hit it like that, Grandma.
Okay.
Iris was my favorite then.
Yeah. That's nice. So what is this one called?
Grandma, don't like the way you're holding it. It's called Akila.
Aki.
No, Grandma, Akila. Akila, like Akila the bee.
Okay. If I hold it like this, is it okay?
Yeah.
Never wanna
Grandma, no. The way you're hitting me. Don't be sorry.
Anytime I do
Sorry,
bad,
okay?
no fail to tell me.
I'm crying like this,
No need
Grandma.
to be shy.
Sorry.
I know something I know be
But since it's your companion, give your companion food to eat now.
to be the man of your dream, girl. I won't take you for a ride, but I will take you away, far away, so that you go. Sometimes I know what to say, but your beauty they make me
So delicious.
Every day, and I pray to God make
Ndidi.
sense up.
Oh, what a surprise! Olivia! Hey!
Look at you! Come here! Oh my God! I'm so happy to see you. Look at you. You look so beautiful. Hey!
How you doing?
I am good. Olivia, hey, just tell me you came back to introduce us to your new man.
You're so hilarious, baby girl. I just came for a visit anyway.
Only.
I've been asking my grandma about you for a very long time now. She keeps saying no one knows your whereabouts. And I heard you were engaged.
Was engaged.
You mean that was a mere rumor?
No, it's actually not a mere rumor.
Okay.
But when I was getting ready to become someone's wife, the idiot impregnated another woman.
My goodness. Man. I'm so sorry about this. That man must be very wicked.
Anyway, that's in the past now. Look at you. You're looking so beautiful.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I am so happy to see you, baby. Hey!
Oh yeah.
Olivia. Please come, let us go inside. Eh?
Oh God, I am not going to be lonely again.
I am here for you. Lonely, pa. Hey! With this your woman, baby.
Baby, don't worry. Don't worry. Baby, don't worry.
Good afternoon.
Don't worry. Never wanna see you cry. Never wanna see you sad. Anytime I do bad, no fail to tell me. There's no need to be shy. I know saying I know be perfect man, no, but for your sake I go try.
Hello.
To be the man of your
Excuse me.
dream, girl.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. It's like you've forgotten my face. The other day, you were returning and my car blocked your way.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Very well, very well.
Oh.
I've been longing to see this beautiful face again.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You know, ever since I saw you that day, my mind skips. I feel like seeing you again and again. Cross my heart.
But, you know, You barely know me. I don't know.
It didn't take me years to know you. I saw you, your thought registered, and crossed my heart. I'll get any length for you. Believe me, any length.
I'm short of words. I don't even know what to say.
Just believe me.
I said, come back here. Come back here and do what? Eh? Okay, now I'm not cooking one. Why are you like this now? Why are you always trying to be a stumbling block to my progress? What is it?
Nkechi. Okay, here. Me? A stumbling block to your progress? Okay, there is no problem. But I want to tell you that you will not step an inch out of this compound until you finish what I asked you to do at the back here. What? Why are you always like this? What has come over you? Eh? Why will you be in this house and I will be the one to do all the house chores in this house?
Because you chose to, ma. You chose to because the job is mine. Leave it there. All the plates and everything, the compound, leave it for me. When I come back, I'll face it and do it. It is my work. But remember, you will not leave it. You'll just be following me everywhere I go. You're the one giving yourself high blood pressure.
Nkechi,
You are the one giving yourself high blood pressure.
you are not going anywhere. I
it
said you have to go back.
Mama,
You do it now.
I'm talking about that can't swear for. Just leave me alone. I want to collect something in the house and leave.
You have to complete this.
Mama, I will go out.
Nkechi,
I will go out.
I said come back here.
I will go out.
Nkechi, you're not going anywhere.
Mama, come out here. Come on. He got the power. He got the power. He got the power. Big frog. He got the power. Come on. Get it. Mama, you no rest, eh? Mama, you no rest, okay? You no rest. I told you to leave me. Oh, I thought you said you have the strength to run.
Nkechi, come back.
Come back.
I said
here.
come back here.
I told you, stay at home. I have something to sort out. I will come back and meet you. You will not listen to me.
Nkechi, I said you should come back. You have to come back.
Go back and do what? Now come back home. Go back home. It's what nature was on back. I tell also. Follow me in the next one.
Nkechi.
Go back home.
Nkechi. Okay.
God. Olivia, you're not serious. You're kidding me, I'm telling you. Cassandra, relax. This is love at first sight. And I think God has his reason for bringing me back to the village. Olivia, don't you think it's rather too early to fall in love? I don't get it. Your thought is as good as my girlfriend. I don't. Olivia, why? I don't get it. Just, it better not be what I'm thinking. It better not be what I'm thinking. Huh. God. Olivia. No. I don't buy this.
There is need for us to call Dikeh. Don't you think so? Yes.
Olivia! Olivia!
Yes, Grandma. Come. Hi, baby. Grandma.
What is she wearing? Can you see?
Baby, we are getting married today.
Grandma, why is everybody putting the blame on me? It's not like I committed the worst crime ever. Anyone that wishes to be my husband must accept me the way I am.
Which way are you? Mama, I want to understand, which way are you? Listen, these things that God has given you is supposed to be meant for your husband's eyes only. Not for the whole village. As if that is not enough. Look at the stomach. Exposed. If I ask you to pick up something for me now, I will definitely see underneath. You know what I'm talking about. That's not good enough.
Grandma, this is what is in vogue.
What is in vogue? Exposure of your vital things? Eh? Listen, if I prefer a question of being in vogue because you're from the city. Okay, now the man is gone. Oh, Nagonu. Will I marry you? Mban, you're back to square one. It can be in vogue in the city, but my dear girl, not in the village. Package yourself well.
Grandma, leave me. I don't. This is just exactly how people dress it now. I don't get it. This is how they dress, Grandma. What's that here?
No problem. Next time I will help you to bring it out. The nipples, all of them outside. You want not to wear putter. Oh, me bagon na like.
Sometimes I know what to say, but your beauty they make me the love couple. I'm every day, my day, and I pray to God make I no mess up.
Abomination. Why do people drag me to that shameful journey? That girl has no home training.
You cannot blame her. She lived all her life in the city. Come to think of it, she's the daughter of a rich man. What do you expect?
And so what? And so what? She should have a little respect for her grandmother.
Yeah, that's already in the past. Thank God the marriage did not work. It would have been very disastrous.
That reminds me. Are you still going to in-laws burial?
Of course, yes.
This is really very bad news. I wish I was here so that I can advise you on what best to read.
Don't do that to yourself. After all, I was not going to accept this proposal.
Hey.
My happiness right now is that I am going to stay in this whole village with you. Daddy said I'm going to stay in the village for a very long time. So I'm going to spend a lot of time with you.
That's a good about.
Why are you acting so surprised?
No, I am not
Let's go.
One kind of very surprised.
So baby, let me get this. Okay, you're gonna be fine.
Olivia.
Grandma.
Good morning.
Good morning, Grandma.
You've been up for a while, just seated here making up. I mean, didn't you notice that the whole compound is dirty? You didn't even bother to sweep it.
Grandma, I don't have strength to do that. The compound is too big, Grandma. This is why I'm not happy being sent down to this village.
You don't have strength to do it. Sweeping the compound doesn't take your strength away. Are you not happy being here with me?
No, Grandma, I'm happy. But not in this circumstance, Grandma. You see, I am not happy that my dad sent me here because of a little mistake that I made. I just don't like it at all.
Your father didn't send you down here to punish you. Rather, he sent you down here to learn a lesson. To learn to be humble and see the other part of life. Not just growing up in the city. So, I want you to just try and enjoy your stay in the village. Alright?
Alright, Mama.
Good. I expect you to go out, clean the compound, while I prepare the dishes. Okay. It's very nice. Alright. Going straight to the kitchen.
Ure, come back here.
Papa,
Where are you going this morning?
I'm going to see my friend in Kechi. We plan going to the market together.
This early morning? Ure, I've watched you change from the homely girl you are to something else. Ure, what is wrong with you? You took time to dress yourself, rub powder, rub on cake, to go to some other place this morning without sweeping this compound. Very dirty, very unkept. Ure!
Papa, be calming down now. Zukwanike. See, I will not waste time. Before you know it, I'll be back.
Urama! Will you come back here? Huh? Will you go inside there and be useful to yourself? Hey! It's again! It's again! Huh? Okay, come and go now. Nonsense. Every time I'm going to Nkechi's house, every time to Nkechi's house, you will not sweep the compound. You will not tidy the place. What a stubborn girl. Hey! Have you come out? Eh? You come back.
No, please. Nkechi, no. Nkechi, no. Nkechi, I will not allow you to do this. Nkechi, no. Please.
Urena, can't you see? Oh, God help that girl. Because I'm so going to pieces this on her body. By the time she hears about me again, she will close her mouth.
Nkechi, I will not allow you to go and fight that girl. I will not allow you to do that mistake, please.
Did I tell you I am going to fight her? Nkechi? No. I am so going to flog the living daylight out of her. So that next time she will close her mouth wherever my matter is being brought up.
Nkechi.
Is she stupid?
Nkechi, calm
down. About me anyhow. Leave this girl.
Nkechi, wait.
Leave this girl.
Let me just ask you. What do you think that girl will do to you? That girl is too small now. Opekano. People that talk behind you, what do they call you? Auntie indirectly. Ignore that girl. She's too small.
Look at that stupid girl. It's not even my mate. Leave me alone.
She's not your mate. Let's go.
Okay.
Nkechi, let's go. I'll start from Nkechi. Let's go. I'll start from Nkechi. Let's go. Wait. Look at
Who is this?
Who is she? Are you asking me? I don't even know who that one is. Look at how she's carrying that thing and walking by my house. What is she claiming that? Who is this one?
I'm sure she's from this lady, yeah?
But
I don't know the family she's from. But I like that thing she's carrying.
Carrying what? What is even that thing she's even carrying? Look at what she's even wearing. And she's just dangling and walking. She didn't even say hello to us.
Does she know you? Why would she say hello to you?
At least she greets us now.
Eh?
Okay, no.
Are you wearing better clothes? See.
Nkechi, come back here.
You sure that girl we saw yesterday is not Dr. Keke's daughter?
No. That girl is not Dr. Keke's daughter. I know all his children. Besides, Nkechi, why are you so interested in this girl? I'm sure that girl is from one of our neighboring village.
Which neighboring village are you talking about? You and I know that road leads to nowhere. So which one are you talking about? But don't worry, Akwamua, I will find out.
I don't know what else to tell you.
If you don't know what else to tell me, then keep it. I will find out and solve my problem myself. That's all.
Where have you been since morning?
Mama, good afternoon.
How from Gafu? I know you. Why can't I do? Or engine na see her.
Mama na happen what you know. We went to see one of our friends.
You went to see one of your friends and you left all you were supposed to do. Okay?
Mama, you have started though. Mama, give me a breathing space in this house now. I'm getting to be henkano. Mama, leave me oh. Let her hear me very well. Mama, the job is those chores are mine. I will take care of them. As at when I want to. Leave me, oh, Mama, leave me.
You will do it at your own time, eh?
Mama, I don't like this, oh. I don't like this.
I feel like
It's
okay. It's so bad. I'm not going to
There's no tail. There's no tail. Mama back is Zoike. Back him. Zoike.
You. I know what to do to you. I'm going to tell the guy. I'm going to cut here. I will cut it.
See, I know my mother very well. If I don't tell her like this, she will not let me be. She will flog me and you together. I will also say, Baba now, Baba.
Olivia, you're back. I hope you enjoyed yourself.
No, ma, I didn't enjoy anything. I was so tired and Didi was not at home.
Oh.
So how was market today?
Oh, well, market was good, though there wasn't much sales. You should have come with me to the market, you know.
The sun was too much, Grandma. And I didn't plan to go far. Oh. The thought of hurting my baby too.
Oh. You and this your Aki. Oh? Anyway, I'm preparing beans for lunch. I hope you'll have some.
Grandma, I'm not hungry. This village is so boring.
Oh?
Yes, Grandma. I don't know why Dad sent me to this village. It's different when we come home for Christmas. Well, it's not always this boring.
The village is boring because you don't go out. Maybe if you step out more often, it will be less boring. Hmm?
Okay.
Nenya. Help?
Well, I should be removing the hand, right? But there's no hand.
That's because you can't see very well with those lashes. Give me. Let me remove this hand. Hey, city people. You see what I'm removing?
Hey, bravo. Look at this cloth, is so beautiful. Hey, Olivia, thank you. Hey, you don't know like that? It's like, I love it. I love them, not even it.
I'm glad you like it.
Can I shine? So nice. Thank you. God bless you. Eh? See this one. I love them. This one is like, yes.
Oh, really?
Yes, I can't wait to look it.
You wear it like, something like high waist. Tuck it in. Yeah, you're going to cut off. You know how to cut off?
Yes, now. Cut off is not like this.
No, it's not. You're bouncing. It's not like that.
If you see me on this cloth, hey!
I'm glad you're happy. After all, you're my childhood friend. What do I owe you? I owe you a lot.
Your
What about
friend.
What about your mom?
No, she went for their parish meeting.
Okay.
See, baby, don't worry. Let me go and get you something to eat, huh?
No, I'm fine. No problem. I'm fine, please. I'm cool. I don't want to eat anything.
You are not fine. You will eat. I made special owa, and I know you will like it. Wait, eh?
What's that?
You don't know owa. Uwa is a local special handmade delicacy. Don't worry, if I bring it, you will love it.
Okay, I would like to see it.
If you see me tomorrow, you won't even know me again. I'll go rock one. Trust me, and without your catwalk.
You know how to catwalk now.
You know.
Okay, tomorrow I'm going to teach you how to catwalk, okay? Tomorrow.
Is that not what I'm doing? Is it not like this?
You're bouncing! You're bouncing, it's fine.
I am coming.
Oh God, I love
Translate,
you. Okay.
No station is working. Huh? Hey, come back. Where are you calling me from this morning? Huh? I asked you a question. Or have you suddenly become dumb? Where are you coming from?
Papa, I went to see my friend in Kichi.
You see your life? You are clearing your throat at this age. You left this house early this morning and you're coming back by this time.
Yeah.
Ure, don't you have shame?
Papa, what is it this time? See, what did I do now? Besides, not even go far. I made sure I finished everything I was supposed to do in the house before I left the house. Papa, Biko, calm down.
You are running about like a broken tap. You see this your friendship with Nkechi, it will teach you a lesson one day.
Ampia. Papa, Nkechi is a very nice person. She's a very nice person. I don't know why you always like attacking that girl.
Hey, don't worry. Your eye will open one day. I have spoken it.
Papa, please, it's more than back from the market because I'm hungry. I go na go. Obonya ina akoeba. Akocha shimadunts.
But I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me.
You know why I like you?
Right.
Wait. Why did you not buy me the popcorn you promised me?
When there is not done yet. You can still go back. Yes. From here now we're going there.
I trust you.
My beautiful girl, my angel. See your long nose, your soft lips.
Even your own nose is very long.
But I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me. So give up your love.
I love you so much.
I will never
Huh?
Where are you looking at? You love me so much and you're looking at somebody.
Don't blind me.
Raymond, I'm ashamed of you.
Don't go there. Don't even. My mind is not even there. You're the love of my life.
Don't tell me that. Your eyes were feasting on her.
No, I was holding you and I was telling you I love you.
You were holding me and you're looking. If you know what, we are not going to be here again. Let us go.
But we just got here.
I said let us go. Right? Don't follow here. You're following there. Now.
Baby, I love you.
Hey! Oko Toriko Mbaduga. Enwekwe m ike ịnọ na mmiri nchaba m anya. So that girl came with Atipa to take Raymond from me. It is not done, oh. I must know the family she belongs to. Why are you laughing now? It's not what is funny, Kwan.
No. Ine, calm down. Wait. Are you trying to tell me that girl would take Raymond away from you? Ne, relax. Raymond is yours forever. Nothing they happen.
Urena, I am not sure anymore. I know what I saw. My eyes cannot be deceiving me.
Ine, calm down. See, I have seen Raymond profess his love for you. That boy. Calm down. Calm down.
Since you came into my life, I feel
What are you thinking
so
about now?
complete.
I know exactly what to do.
That thing can never take my man away from me. It is not done. Oma menata, I am ever ready for her. Yeah. Nonsense. Nkechi. Tedifo. Urenna.
Nkechi. Hey.
I'm strong, but the smiling of your lips, it make my heart.
I knew this would be perfect in you. You like it?
Like, I love it, Grandma. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it.
Grandma, where did you get this from?
I'm not going to answer that question. The important thing here is that you love it.
Grandma, I am going to love this for the rest of my life.
Oh.
Serious, Grandma. I can't wait to show it off to my friends. Oh my God.
That's a nice thing to say.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is so beautiful.
I'm glad you love it. Oh, so why don't you show Aki how nice it looks on you?
Did you see my necklace? Baby. Thank you, Grandma. This is so beautiful.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You know, you remind me so much of myself when I was your age.
Thank you, Grandma.
Aki, did you hear that?
I told you. I told you. My instinct never lies. That is where they live. That is why you did not recognize her when you saw her. She is Chief Ernest Ude's only daughter. And I learned that they barely visit home.
They came back last Christmas.
Are you serious?
Even though they said she's her father's most favorite child, she doesn't come outside. It's my business.
Nne, please. What are you going to do now?
Nne, Ifengeme, Dimuche. Don't worry. Let's go.
You know I know you. I hope you don't want to go and fight this girl.
Nne, keep quiet and follow me. That's what I said. Follow me.
Nkechi. Hey.
Hilary, I'm telling the truth. No one has ever gotten my attention the way that girl did. I don't know if you ever seen her around this village.
Who is she?
I don't know who she is. I've been asking around who she is. I don't really know, but I think I found my missing ring.
What did you just say?
I said, I've seen the girl of my dream. I want to make her my wife. Hilary, I wish you can understand where I'm coming from. See, no one has ever moved me the way this girl in particular did. Yes. Hilary, I've been asking around since that day I met her.
So, any luck on your findings?
No.
Raymond, yes. I wish you luck on your finding. Can we talk while we are here? Can we?
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go ahead and talk. I'm finding I'm going to take that stuff.
But Daddy, we've been through this for a long time now. Oh, Daddy, please reconsider now. Let me come back home. I don't know what is happening to me in this village. Daddy, please. Please, Daddy, I don't know. Further notice? Daddy, there is no ending to further notice. Daddy, please, you want me to stay here all throughout the whole year? Daddy, my mates are very busy with their studies, Daddy. I need to go back to school. Hello?
Hello, Cassandra. How are you? I'm so sorry that I've not called you all this while. You have no idea of what I'm passing through in this village, Cassandra. Bad girl, stop making me laugh. Cassandra, why don't you come over to the village? Since you're still on break. Please now, before I go crazy here. Okay. Okay, please. Okay, please make it as possible as you can. I just need somebody to laugh with and gossip with. Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm relieved right now.
Hey, Damsel. How are you? Good afternoon. Please, I'm so sorry for stopping you this way. I really wanted to see you, and I've been longing to see you. I've been admiring you from afar, you know. I just want to tell you what I feel about you the last time I set my eyes on you, and I've been such
excuse me, sorry. I am not in the mood to talk to anybody right now. I'm sorry about this.
Please, I would like to...
I just said I am not in the mood. I'm sorry. Thank you.
At least, can I get to know you more? Okay, can I drop you off where you're going to?
You are the apple of my eyes, you the brighten of my day like the sun. I'm strong, let a smiling of your lips, you the make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Angel, you're the apple of my eyes, you the brighten of my day like the sun. I'm strong, let a smiling of your lips, you the make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. You the make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. You the make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling.
Please, follow me right now. Follow me right now.
You just barged into me. Follow you to where?
If you guys follow me right now. Is it gonna Kaina again? Do I got you? Now. I see you most of Hey, don't do perfect. Most is already. Also. No. I saw them looking into each other's eyes. Where are they now? I don't know where they've gone to.
Oh.
Hi.
Listen to me. Are you sure you saw my own Raymond here with that stupid girl?
Will I be lying to you? I I said I saw them with my naked eyes right on this spot.
It's not possible.
I mean, it cannot happen. My own Raymond. It's not possible.
Hey. No problem. I know exactly what to do.
These people have been skinned. They were here now.
I said I know exactly what to do. My own Raymond. With that one, what? They were right on that spot. Is she better than me? Why are you saying I should be careful?
Negenti, Nkechi is very dangerous. She is so desperate and self-centered. You see, every girl in this village steps back from everything that belongs to that girl, Nkechi.
And am I supposed to be bothered about that cheap trap? Girlfriend, the thing is that I cannot descend so low. Of course you know.
I am warning you. I know what I'm saying. I know that girl very well. It's for your own good though. I'm warning you.
Don't be bothered, girlfriend. Don't be bothered. That reminds me. You promised to take me to the stream. Do not change your mind. No excuses.
We'll go now, but you cannot go to the stream dressed like this now. We'll go back to your house so that you change to something proper.
I just want to go and feel the stream. What are you saying? I want to go. I just want to feel the environment. It's not like I want to go and fetch water or something. No. Let's go, please. Go. Don't give me an excuse. Which way? Which way? What are you saying? Which way? Tell me. This way. Okay.
Baby, don't worry. Don't worry. Baby, don't worry. Don't worry. Never wanna see you cry. Never wanna see you sigh.
My baby,
Anytime
my
I do bad, no fail to
my
tell me
love,
there's no need to be
my
shy.
Rere. Why is your face like that?
What are you carrying? What is that?
I noticed that my boyfriend loves people that carry my baby. So I decided to go and buy my own before what is mine will become another person's own. Or that possible.
And you went and bought Teddy.
Teddy.
Yeah.
My dear, this is not called Teddy. This is called Mwa baby. Mwa baby. Nyami fagi.
Nkechi, please, just go. Just go. I will see you later. I'm very busy now. Just go.
I should go. I am not going anywhere. I have come to stay. Oh, you think I don't know? You are standing here waiting for her to cross so that you start looking at her like you did the other day. Don't even try it. It will not work.
Go.
What am I gonna do? I must impress my man. I know you like it.
Nkechi, can you just go?
Raymond and Nkechi. Everybody know that you are dating. Leave that thing. I know you like it.
I'm busy now.
You like it.
I'm very busy. Just go.
You like it.
Oh. What's so funny? What I just told you, how is it funny?
But it's funny.
How?
So she now move around with teddy bear. Hey. Guess who don't cease to amaze me. So what are you going to do now? Leave her for the new girl?
No way. No way. That girl makes me happy. Yes. And I'm going to work extra hard to make her love me.
Raymond, you need to be careful. Nkechi is not just a girl that give up easily. She's into you. You know. Okay? You know. Because leaving her will cause you so much harm.
I know. I just have to figure out a way to do it without her knowledge.
But in
just need to open your eyes.
Never wanna see you cry.
Very, very important.
Never wanna see
Me too.
you cry. Anytime I do bad, no time to
It's okay, let's move.
Nine. I am tired of Nkechi. I am tired of her. Not when I start my own now. You people will say I did this or that to your brother's daughter.
Mama Nkechi, calm down. You see, you don't have to be harsh with her. See, children need to be treated with care so that they don't use it as an excuse to misbehave. That you should understand.
I say children. Nkechi okawo bele nwa. Is Nkechi a child? Nah. I don't want her trouble, so. She doesn't help me in this house again. She left everything entirely to me. Nah. Do you know the worst of all?
Ganymede.
She carries a big alusi in her hand wherever she goes.
Hey! Alusi what?
Nugu alusi.
Hey!
She calls it one baby. Please, Nai. Call her to order. Else I will start my own, no.
You see what happened? You have to calm down, eh? You don't have to bother your head. When she comes back, tell her to come and see me. No problem. Tell her to come and see me.
I will do that. But in case if she refuses, Nai, Nkechi that I carried her in my womb for 9 good months and gave birth to her. I don't want to be blamed for her bad character.
No, just tell her to come and see me, yeah? I'm waiting for her. Tell her to come and see me.
Go for my bye-bye.
Hi, Grandma. Hi. Where have you been? I've been looking for you. Besides, why did you leave your food untouched?
I went to see a friend.
A friend what? You have a friend here? I didn't know you had made a friend in so short a time.
Not really a friend, Grandma. But the good thing is I'm here now. Let me go have my food.
Yes, but you need to be very careful. Alright? With the kind of friends you make around here. Most times people don't really seem to be what they are. Okay?
Okay.
And don't ever leave this compound without letting me know first. Alright? Let's go in.
Cassandra! My goodness! Oh my God! Come here! Oh, it's nice to see you. You look so nice! Thank you. Come on, my friends.
Good afternoon. See, Cassandra. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Mama.
There's some resemblance between both of you.
People always say that.
Oh, really? Anyway, take her in. Take her in.
Thank you.
Make her feel comfortable.
Okay, Grandma.
Thank you. Oh, you came with a box.
Yes,
Olivia. Interesting. Gabatiwa.
But I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me, so give up your love. I will never let you go. So give up your love.
Where do you think you're going to?
Excuse
Where
me.
do you think you're going to?
What is the meaning of this?
What does it look like? Let me tell you something. If you think you and that useless city teddy carrier will come to this village to threaten I and Nkechi, you lie. Serious lie.
It seems to me that you have nothing else to do with your time.
Let me tell you something. Pass this message to that idiot. That I, Uwe, will not allow the likes of you and that teddy carrier to stand between I and Nkechi.
You're just a loser.
I'm a loser. You're a fool. Idiot. You don't have bomb, but that's what is worrying you. Say our bots. We have bots. I and Nkechi have it. What do people have? Stupid city people. Rubbish. Let me see your 2 legs in this village again. Ndiala. Onya kunjali wabi. Ayafu. Akwadogoda. Okay.
Oh, baby. What kept you so long? I've been waiting. I was so worried.
My dear, I'm sorry. I actually came on time, but I was stopped on my way by one village champ.
Village champ? Who is that?
One girl like that.
Did he hurt you?
Hurt me? Wait. Oh, because I come from city. You should try that nonsense with me. I will make sure I remove her teeth and put on her hands before talking to me.
I trust you. So, did you buy the items? Mama has been so worried. She's accusing me of sending you to market all by yourself.
What are you talking about? Mama knows I can take care of myself now. Let's go in and play. Leave Mama.
You guys should stop all this. I don't get it. What are you talking about? I should stop going out because of Nkechi or whatever she's called. I mean, stop telling me that. We're in democracy.
Is it demo gini? Demo what? Please leave that democracy aside. I know Nkechi more than you. In fact, I've known Nkechi all my life in this village. You just came in few weeks ago now. I know what I'm saying, oh.
Girlfriend, I think you should listen to your friend.
Of course, I'm listening to her, but she's not making any sense to me. She's not even married to this guy in question. And I don't even like him. Of course, I don't like him. Do you expect me to fall so easily for a guy I'm just meeting? No, I'm asking, do you expect me to fall so easily for him?
Are you serious?
Yeah, maybe for now.
You see us how they look you.
Hey, God.
Say you see me.
Who is she?
Calm
Who
down.
is her father?
Just calm down, it's okay.
I don't even know what to say, man.
But I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me, so give up your love. I will never let you go.
Nah, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
I can't remember. Who are you?
Oh, my name is Raymond Abaka, the first son of Chief Nnamdi Abaka.
First son of Chief?
Yes, ma'am.
Chief Abaka? I didn't know Chief had such a grown-up son. How come we don't see you around?
No, Mom, I've been living outside the country all these years.
Oh.
Yes.
Naganako, Cameroon.
Abroad.
Okay. All right, you're welcome.
Yes,
How come? What are you home for?
Actually, I came back to take over my father's vast business.
No. You people that live abroad, all are not taking over businesses on our land there. You're welcome anyway.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm surprised you're here to see me because I live alone and I never have guests, special guests like you.
Okay, Mama, I'm here to see Olivia. I don't know if she's around.
Oh, well, I don't know where she is. We were jello. I don't know. Maybe she has gone to see.
Wow, this is beautiful. Your village is so cool. I saw a lot of beautiful things yesterday on my way to your market.
Really? I'm so bored. Bro, it's so boring to me. You know, all I do is sleep, wake up, eat, stroll. Nobody to talk to.
Well, you have your grandmother, and she isn't that old.
Grandma? What can I possibly be discussing with my grandma? If not tradition, or maybe all these stories they tell children that make them awake all night. No, don't even give me that suggestion.
So I will be able to speak to your father.
That's why I invited you. You see, my dad said I am going to stay in this village
till further notice. Like in quotes. I just wish I can change the hands of time.
Oh. Bestie, don't be sad. Everything will be fine. Okay? Just trust me. I know what you've been through, Just don't worry, everything will be fine.
I miss a lot of things. Girlfriend, I miss a lot of things. Watching movies, swimming. A lot. I mean...
Swimming? I thought they have stream around this place. Yeah, you can swim.
What are you saying? I should go in... Oh, you want me to contact disease?
Ha.
Oh, no, I can't even think about that.
Are you serious?
No! You can't even tell me
Can you
that.
stop that?
Of course, you can't even suggest, stream. Oh, no!
Anyways.
I can't.
Anyways, that one is... So what's up with that guy now? What's up with him?
I'll take my leave now. Please, if she comes back, tell her I visited.
I will.
I will see her later.
Okay, and I'll give her the gifts that you bought.
Yes. And she'll give you some.
Yeah.
What are my eyes seeing?
Greet your father for me.
Take care.
You too. Bye. Oh. Oh.
Hey! Ihe we ihe kwa. Hey! Hey! Ramon! What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Don't you ask me that question. Don't you dare ask me that question. I asked you first. What have you come here to do?
See, I don't want us to start talking about, okay? I tell you that, let's go to some...
Enter Kuchka! So you have come to see her? Yeah, but
Kechi, let's go to somewhere.
You are going nowhere.
Let me open the gate. So
Go open the gate. I am not going anywhere. I will do no such thing.
Stop shouting. Stop.
I will shout.
Kechi,
Raymond, answer me.
Can we go out and talk?
No.
Can we leave this place now?
You've got to see her.
Kechi.
What have you come here to? I know that I've not been taking care of you. I've not been asking you anything. Please, don't be angry with me. Because I am begging you, okay? Now, you have to stay here with me. Let us wash the plates. When I wash, you rinse. If I wash, you must rinse it though.
Getty, what is wrong with you? Your brain, has it been used?
Mama Biko, I am fine. I'm alright.
What are you doing with this small arrosing? Why don't you start to wash this place for goodness sake?
Oh, Mama, why are you always making noise? And my mom didn't. Have you seen? Everything you'll be raising your voice. This thing has started crying now. Will be shouting at me as if I'm a child. Have you seen what you've caused? Have you seen it? It has kept quiet now. Please, do not shout again. Don't shout, oh. Is it not the plate that is before me? I will wash the plates. Every time you'll be shouting at me. Nkechi, Meba, Nkechi, Meneba. Ogonodo. This was how you shouted at my father. He had blood pressure and died. And now you're doing it to me? Mama, you cannot kill me, oh. I will still get married and have my own children. You cannot kill me.
My baby, taram taram. My baby, toron toron.
You know what? It is time for us to wash plates. So after you rinse, walk with him and shoko shoko. Huh?
You want to go? You want to go? Oh, kulo kane kili. Oh, kulo kane kili. Oh, kulo.
This is what my mother wants to deprive me. Olivia! What are you here for? I am coming. I am ready for you. My Raymond cannot help.
My baby. My baby.
You're the apple of my eyes, you the brighten up my day like the sun. I'm strong, but the smiling of your lips, you the make my heart go. You the make my heart go. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, you make my heart go. You make my heart go. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, you make my heart go. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling. I will never ever let you go. You were everything to me. Oh, oh. Since you came into my life, I feel so complete. I will never ever let you go. Angel, you are the apple of my eyes. You the brighten up my day like the sun. I'm strong. The smiling of your lips, you don't make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling-a. Angel, you're the apple of my eyes, you the brighten up my day like the sun. I'm strong, the smiling of your lips, you don't make my heart go.
You are there laughing at me. Instead of you to come and help me, what is funny?
Okay, look at yourself in the mirror.
One is your business. If you want, be laughing at me. I looked at her, I saw her doing it, I saw what she was doing, and I can comfortably do it.
And this was that she was doing it?
Yes, this was exactly what she was doing. And I look good like this. And after doing this thing, Raymond must change his mind towards me.
Okay, let me help you.
Don't help me.
Let me help you.
Do not help me.
Ngwandozie, let me help you. Asam,
you never match much. Stop you to help me. Leave me alone.
Can you go to that?
What is it?
Do you know why I made no what I can get if you couple? What I give you? We could go this style.
I saw her doing it.
I want to go see me. Can you talk about
if you talk about the whole
if you tell me I'm testing your form of what I go. Hey, Asa Jemba. I'm just a bit in Kendi India.
No, you're spoiling it.
Pui in Kendi India. Free the shop. What is going on here? Hey,
my Rere. Don't worry. What baby? I am coming for you. Hey, what baby? When one baby will see me, she will bow.
So, okay.
So, there you go.
I just gave you Indian style like this. No,
I'm not doing this for that stupid girl. I'm doing it for my Raymond. So when Raymond sees me, he'll stop talking to me.
Of course, now. See your face. Nkechi. Hey, Diego.
Nkechi. did not sweep this compound after telling her to sweep it this morning. She left it started. Eh? What will I do to this girl? Eh? Hey! Nkechi! Nkechi!
So, what's your plans now? Do you think Nkechi's attitude affected the respect she has for you? No, I don't think so. She welcomed me with open arms. Nkechi is becoming obsessed and acts stupid sometimes. She wasn't. Why the fun lasted? My friend, just shut up. Just shut up. You and I know that Nkechi is not leaving you now or ever. And even the new girl is not giving you an audience. So why are you leaving the good thing you see in Nkechi? Nkechi is a closed chapter. And all her effort to frustrate me will continue to hit the brick wall. Okay, so what next? Man, let's just go home. I'm expecting some visitor in a few minutes. Let's go. My dear, thank you so much for accepting my invitation.
Well, I came because my grandma said I should give you audience.
Okay.
So why did you invite me?
Okay, I will tell you. You know, ever since the day I set my eyes on you, I've never been myself. You're just an epitome of beauty and grace. And no girl has executed this kind of grace. I just want to tell you that I'm in love with you.
Really? Are you serious about that?
Yes, I'm serious.
Well, you barely know me. How could you be in love with someone you don't know much?
I know. Well, it starts only but one day. Yes, all I ask for is to prove that I need you in my life and want to spend the rest of my life with you. All I ask is for a chance in your life.
A chance in my life? This is really harder than I thought. I don't even know what to say, seriously. I don't know. Okay, maybe you have to give me some time to think about your proposal. My mind is cut off right now.
It's okay. I'll do that. So when am I expecting your reply?
Maybe soon. Soon. Baby girl. Hello.
My baby. Abani Dereko. Walk that walk for me, baby. You look so beautiful. Just look at her.
Oh, yeah.
My queen.
Oh, yeah.
My model. Hey, here comes the newest chick on the block. Babe, what's up? What's up? Tell me what's up.
Mama?
Mama just left not quite long. Okay. What's up with your date now? Any news? Like, is he handsome?
Cassandra.
Is he cute? Does he have money? Tell me now. Give me gist.
Okay. He just told me everything that was in his mind.
And
End of story.
End of story?
Oh yeah.
How? He didn't pop up any question.
What do you want to hear?
Babe, tell me. What's up?
Then what did you say?
What has she done this time?
More like what hasn't she done? You see that it's best to look for a black goat during the day than in the night.
It's true.
Because in the night, the goat is dark, is black, and there's darkness, so you won't find it. Same applies to your daughter Nkechi. She's getting out of hand. And I think you need to do something about it.
Hey. That is the problem I'm having with her. The whole village knows that I have been complaining about my daughter. Even my late husband's brother. He has called and advised her. Still, nothing. She don't want to listen.
Have you sat her down to discuss with her, advise her? Have you?
What have I not done? She don't want to listen. Yeah, in fact, she has simply become difficult. That is the best way to explain it.
I know. Well, I would advise you on what to do. Once you apply the technique I'm going to give to you, everything will be well taken care of. Yes. Do you think they call me grandma for nothing? Experience is the best teacher.
Yes. Okay, I will be waiting.
Okay.
Thank you very much, ma.
God
God bless you.
Bless you, ma. Bless you.
Hey. I'll be on my way.
Okay, so I don't know when next you will come, so I can tell you what to do.
Anytime you send message for me, you send for me, I'll come.
Anytime you're free, you come. I'm always at home.
Oh, it's okay.
Tofia. Chukwaju. Mama me. Nkechi. A housemaid.
See.
I can never do that, oh.
See, there is no Tofia in this, so you have to go as a housemaid. Since you have refused to obey certain rules and regulations in this house.
Mama, what exactly do you want me to obey? Mama, I'm an adult. I have right to make some certain decisions in my life. That does not give you the right to tell me to go and become a maid. Me, I cannot be a maid, though. It's just like someone telling you now to come and be a nanny.
God forbid.
If you go near, no. Mama, I will not be. In fact, don't even talk about it again. Because right now in my life, what I really want is to marry. I want a good man that will marry me and have my own children. That is what I want. So those people that are advising you to bring me to become their maid, invite them for my wedding. Because Haga not only showed that they were not for Kosiaga. Mama, I can't do that too.
I'm talking to you and you're walking out on me.
Mama, I have to walk out. I've been standing here for a very long time. You have not seen anything reasonable. I will not go.
Oh. Me, I'm not saying anything reasonable. Nkechi! What is wrong with this girl? Hey! This girl is giving me much trouble in this house. What will I do to her? God, come and help me. I am waiting for your response. Udunsi, you didn't hear me. I know you've been friends with Nkechi for a long time now.
Yes, Mama.
Are you happy the way she behaves? Don't you advise her? Or Papa know when you...
Mama, I used to advise Nkechi. Yeah, I used to advise her. But you know her now. Nkechi likes taking her own decisions. Anytime I try to advise her, she will just shout at me. Mama, if it's you they shout at, what will you do? You just keep quiet now. That's why I used to keep quiet sometimes.
She shouts at you?
Yes, Mama.
Look, let me tell you. The whole village. Let me remind you, in case if you have forgotten. Anya nele zanzam na fue. I am just watching the two of you. in this village. I'm watching the two of you.
Mama, I don't used to do yam yam. I don't used to waka yam yam. It's only in kitchen that I used to waka yam yam. Yay! My love! My love! Oh, the love be more. Love more. I'll be more. Well, baby, Neki. How are you, my love? Why is your face like this? Still a problem?
What is the problem? What has come over you?
Love. Ehneya. That is the only thing that has come over me. I love you too much.
Why do you go about harassing that innocent girl? Are you stupid?
Yeah? I'm not stupid.
What is your problem?
Obim, don't call me stupid. Don't call me stupid because of that winchy girl. Eh? What have I not done for you? How have you ever wanted it that I never gave? Eh?
Just look at me very, very, very well. Is she finer than me? You have let me do things so. This my baby here is because of you. I had to go to any length just to take my man back.
And even bought the latest version. Why are you doing this to me? Who Maggie?
What has come over you? Why don't you use your time for better things?
Nobody will take what is mine.
Please.
You are mine, no. You are mine.
Please, stop tracking me wherever I go. Allow me to have some breathing space. Young breathing space. Biko.
You once promised me love. Where is the love? Eh? Raymond, where is the love you promised me?
Hey, Biko, see, just listen to me. Stay away from me. I am not going to warn you. This is the last warning. I'm not going to warn you again.
Biko, God did not do. Please don't do this to me. I've grown to love you. I can't stay without you. I will die.
Stay away from me. I'm not going to warn you again. Again, what is this?
It is our breast.
Hammer.
Biko kweke.
Your hammer.
Please now.
Get your hammer.
I love you.
Excuse me.
Raimondo.
I want you.
Raymond.
I am going nowhere.
Hi! Nkechi, what are you doing with yourself?
What is the meaning of this? What are you doing sitting down here? Mama, please leave me alone. I beg of you. Don't, leave me alone. I have a lot going on in my head. I need to think about my life. Leave me alone. That marker now, no. Hey! Every day, you just sit down, carry this obanje, this arrows in your hand. You don't want to help me with all the house chores. Eh? It's a good. Mama, it's a good. My one baby, obanje. Mama, you don't understand what is happening because it's old school. Eyo, what's up? We are the recent days. And in this time, Mama, any young lady that does not have this baby or this uri on my face, that person does not know what is happening.
In our water paper. And to even scatter your head, Mama. My wabi is the latest version of wabi. I'm gonna say I'm going to get one.
Give up your love. I will never let you go. Give up your love. I will never let you go. When I need you, I will never let you go. I'm fighting for my love. I'll never let you go. I am going nowhere.
I understand. I do. And I believe very soon we'll return back to the city. We'll continue from where we stopped.
I know. I'm going to miss you so much. You see, staying in this whole village without you, it's going to be so boring.
Don't do this to me right now. You know I need to go back to school. We'll talk on the phone. Okay?
Okay.
I'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay, just give me a hug. Just take care of yourself for me, okay?
Okay.
See me off now.
Sure. Let's go.
Papa, wait.
Where are you going to? Huh?
Papa, not again now.
Mama, not again. Huh? I said, where are you going to?
Papa, where else do I go to every day? I only go to my one and only friend's place called Nkechi. We're both going to somewhere and you don't need to know the place.
That's somewhere. Yeah. You are Nkechi. Always. Have you finished what you expected to do in the house?
Papa, I've done everything I'm supposed to do. I thought I would not waste time. Sharp.
When? I heard your mother telling you to prepare the afternoon food. Have you done that? Have you done that? Ibege?
Papa, I've not done that one now. Papa, calm down. That one is not a big deal. When I come back from my work about to Nkechi, I'll do it. I think it's sharp. I have a we think before you know
Sharp.
it.
Okay. You think I'm joking? Sharp. Eh? Sharp. Sharp.
Papa, Papa, it's me.
Sharp. Joking with you. Nonsense. Hey! Every time this girl, right, give me hypertension. Eh?
You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling.
Nkechi, you're crying over that one baby as if it's a real child you lost. Eh? When you get money, you buy a better one. Calm down now.
How do you want me to calm down? How do you want me to calm down? I'm asking you. That one baby is the only reason Raymond still talks to me. Because the one baby gives me one swag, like a big girl. Now, my mother has burnt it into ashes.
How do you expect me to get another one baby now?
Raymond loves you, and that is all that matters. Do you understand me? Stop crying. Wipe away these tears.
Raymond does not love me again. I know what I'm telling you. I know what I saw the last time. The attitude Raymond gave to me. Chinego Ogwenia. Because I have been suffering with Raymond. That girl cannot take Raymond away from me. You need to have seen how he treated me like I was nothing. How do I get my Raymond back? How do I get my one baby back?
She calm down now. I don't like seeing tears in your face like this. Everything will be alright now.
Urena is not easy for me.
Kichi, no now. Because of one baby you're crying. It's not because you go here. He's going here because now
it's not easy for me. Just rap on.
Kichi, it's okay. It's okay. Hassan, it's not no. Of course, one baby in here. Of course, one more now. It's not because
leave me. You don't know what I'm passing to. Leave me.
I am not going anywhere anymore.
They stay now. If you go now, I don't know. I'm gonna be left here all alone, and I don't even know when grandmother is going to return.
My dear, I just wish I can do that, but I have to go and take care of things. Okay? Do not worry. Very soon, things will fall into places and get permanent. Okay?
Okay.
Or are you not looking forward to become Mrs. Raymond?
Of course. Nothing will make me more happier than that,
I know.
Well, I'll miss you though.
I'll miss you too. Okay, just be strong for me and take care of yourself.
Okay, darling.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nkechi! Hey! Where has this girl gone to this early morning? Eh? Okay. Akwanola, Jebata, I am waiting for you. Sobadiro.
You look gorgeous. You look beautiful.
Thank you, Grandma.
I love what you're wearing. I was a bit afraid you might end up wearing something like you wore the last time, exposing everywhere.
Grandma, I learned my lesson in the past.
That's good.
So, Mama,
yes.
What about Raymond and his people? Are they outside?
No, not yet. But I'm sure they'll be here soon. Once they get here, I will be the first to come and let you know.
Okay, Grandma.
So now let me go back to the kitchen. I need to finish what I'm cooking. And then change into my own traditional outfit. Okay?
Okay, Grandma.
And makeup. This your hair is good. Let me see what you're doing. Okay. Make sure she looks perfect. Okay? Alright. Come in. We're back now.
Okay, Grandma. Thank you. Okay, we'll just hold it. What about my baby? Your baby.
You can see that it's getting late already. Our in-laws, are they still coming? Let's know. Are you sure
they will be here? Oh, that's why I left the city to the village. I have an agreement with them that they will be here. So you don't have to bother.
I think so. Because our people are getting impatient already. That's why I'm bothered.
Why? There is food and drink over there. Let them eat and drink.
Okay, let's see how we can fill them up with drinks. Okay, let's go.
Ora I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me. So give up your love. I will never let you go. So give up your love. I will never let you go. When I need you, I will never let you go. I'm fighting for my love. I'll never let you go. But I am here to stay.
Raymond!
Fighting for my life.
Raymond! Raymond! What are you doing here? What are you doing with her? Raymond.
Once again,
Raymond. What are you doing?
are you stupid? How can you barge into someone's compound in a way, Shano? Raymond, is Raymond your man? Can't you see he's very, very busy?
Very busy.
Can't you see?
Am I calling you? Raymond, what are you doing with her? Raymond! My people are in the compound. Everybody's in the compound waiting for you, Raymond. They're waiting for your people. Raymond, you forget. I'm supposed to be your wife today.
Esegono.
What are you doing now?
Esegono,
What, Guinea?
you must be out of your stupid mind.
Yeah? Excuse me. Meanwhile, who are you?
Oh.
Ndonyebo.
Raymond,
it's me, Olivia. You Olivia.
Olivia who? Eh? Olivia from where? Olivia
Boy, I'm Arama.
See, this is how you people move about. Taking people's men, snatching men all around.
I cannot take you.
Yeah?
You can't take him.
Why are you doing this? Can't you see I'm busy? Yeah?
Raymond, what are you talking about?
Shut up your mouth. Are you stupid? Mwa baby. Enapwala. So you barged into this compound calling my own Raymond your husband. Ibonyori.
I don't even know.
Are you a thief? Please, just take your stupid self out of this place because he doesn't want you.
I don't even know her. I don't even know.
What's thinking about Olivia?
Is that her name?
It's me, you Olivia.
Olivia.
Onye Ori.
Ochi Izu.
You cannot steal my man. Nonsense.
Hey, please, for your own good, I want you to leave this place peacefully.
Honey.
Biko.
Honey, huh? Honey, huh? See what you're going to do for me now. I want you to throw this miserable thing out of this compound. You want to go? But before you do that, can you get me?
Hold on, let me push her out.
Olivia, why are you me?
See, and we hand up. Hey, move! Now, Balume Gubiko. Hey!
Get out!
Move! Go. Move!
My people, everybody's there. Everybody.
Move.
Hey!
Get out of this place. Honey.
I'm finished.
Olivia. I am going nowhere.
Are you still crying? Olivia, I've told you to stop crying. Why are you mourning over this? Raymond doesn't deserve a single tear. What if he doesn't deserve you? Stop crying, my dear.
The humiliation is too much.
It's okay, my dear.
The humiliation is too much. I can't bear the embarrassment.
Listen to me. Listen. Maybe you both are not meant for each other. Have you thought of that? The future has a lot in store for you. You have a bright future. My dear, stop crying, okay?
This world is so cruel.
It's okay.
This world is so cruel.
I know. Just keep calm. A better man will come for you. Come on. Let's go. Let's go inside.
I'm strong, but a smiling of your lips, you make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling-a. Angel, you're the apple of my eyes, you're the bright of my day, like the sun. I'm strong, but a smiling of your lips, you make my heart go.
Wonder shall never end. So if I only won this fight,
I have won, oh.
Hey.
I told you that in this village, nobody can take Raymond from me. She has gone back to where she truly belongs. And Raymond is now back to his senses. Singing my praise everywhere. What was the secret? As in Kefiji we met here, because I cannot believe that Raymond will leave that winch of a girl and start following you again. He has left her already. The girl is now in the past. As a matter of fact, she is now past party. One day say, take all. Everybody go me. I told you. My Raymond. It is not done. All this while I kept quiet. I was only trying to be matured. But now, my lioness. How is Raymond? How is he doing now? That is a good question, my dear. And I will give you an honest answer. Let me just put it this way. That Raymond practically adores me. He worships the very ground I walk on. Worship. So very, very soon, I will be Mrs. Raymond.
Baby, don't worry. Don't worry. Baby, don't worry. Don't worry. Never wanna see you cry. Never wanna see you sad.
Grandma,
Anytime I do bad, no.
why don't you follow us to the city? I will really miss your companion.
My daughter, I have told you, I like it here in the village. I can't follow you to the city. But do me one favor.
Okay, ma.
Promise me you would always be cheerful.
Grandma, I do not have joy in my heart. Love is dead in my soul.
Don't say that. You can't allow love to die in your soul just because of some disappointment. You need to show them that you're stronger than pain. Besides, you are the daughter of a lioness.
Grandma.
I'll miss you more. And be very serious with the studies. We will celebrate more victories sooner than later.
We have to be on our way. You know how the traffic is. Mama, we will be on our way. I will call you. And I will also send money for you to give the plumber so that he will take care of the other house?
You always send money for plumber, for carpenter. What about my own money?
Mama, we send your own too.
Pitchy fee na da. 5,000, 1,000 a lot.
Mama, na gonna resume this time around, no gather bo.
No come on, ya dabo.
Mama.
Ba tuna mun na fi jago le me tuna ni fa ki na go lumbu.
Mama bro.
We bo mwas.
Mama happen here. Me bujere gi this time around. Ka bi alaba biko. Cause I report.
Come and give me a hug.
Okay, Grandma.
Take care of yourself. What about your Aki?
It's in the car.
Okay, you've already dropped it.
Okay. You can't forget that.
No, let her not forget that. It's not in my house.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, nothing. Why you calling so? Only girl. Be good. Can I see Aki? Aki, Saki, I can't show no problem.
Ray, how could you do such a thing without consulting me? You dumped Olivia from Nkechi. How? Why?
I thought you preferred Nkechi as my wife. Besides, she has been with me all through the years.
You keep quiet. Are you the one talking? What are you saying? Nkechi is not the woman for you.
She's the most beautiful and well-mannered. Come on, man. You know what I'm talking about. You know I'm saying the truth.
Wait, which truth are you talking about? Nkechi is not the woman for you. Seriously. You and I know her history. She's always available when men are on heat. Just to fill up the ledger. You know.
So what do I do now?
Reject her. Make her understand that proposal was a mistake. Go back to Olivia, who is your wife. She can make you happy, you know.
I think you're right. I'll do just that.
You know now. Please. Come on, young.
Okay, my darling. Yo. I missed you.
Have you finally awoken your love?
Yeah, I want you to do me a favor. Yes, a beautiful favor. See, I want us to get married now.
Now?
Yes.
Can I not get her?
Yes. Eh? You understand, right?
No, it's not a problem at all.
Okay.
You know I've always wished for us to be together forever. Yes. But now you have taken a decision. Okay. They were my mother. About it.
Now.
This is a beautiful development.
Oh, someone will make it.
Right now.
Hey. Hi. Wait. Am I dreaming? Hey.
What's going on?
Hilary, you've been here for 2 hours without saying anything. It's not like you. Are you alright?
So confused. So confused. It seems like I'm still dreaming.
How can you be dreaming with your eyes open? Okay. Hilary, you know you're my friend. And you can always talk to me. Especially now my madam is not around. So tell me, what is bothering you?
My friend is trying to make the worst mistake of his life.
Is everything alright with him? I mean, is he into any kind of trouble?
Maybe. But what's my business? I try to lead him in a good way, but he chooses his own way, so it's not my business.
Hilary, you've not said anything here. You're speaking in parables. Is he owing someone and he's yet to pay?
I don't want to talk about this again. I don't want to discuss it, please. It's getting me down. Like, can you get something for me to drink?
Okay. What should I get for you?
Ma boge ma nwa onye ga-enye m onye ga-enye m. Hey! Orisa bi n'igwe daalụ. So, you have finally remembered me. My daughter is getting married. Hey! Na ukwu a. Ị ga-ama ya. Ha? Lekoti. Ọmalịcha akwa. Hey! Mama Nkechi, ị bịa. God, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. Oh, Mama Nkechi, gị na akwa ga-eme ife. Ma ọ bụghị ma nwa, onye ga-enye m. Onye ga-eme ọ bụghị ma nwa, onye ga-enye m. Onye ga-enye m. Onye ga-enye m.
Never wanna see you cry. Never wanna see you sigh. Anytime I do bad, no fail to tell me there's no need to be shy. I know something I know.
My daughter, my son, I bless you and your family. You shall have life in abundance. Lots of children. Myself your life. And what you will use to train them shall never be lacking in your pockets. I bless you. Thank you. Hey!
Hilary, I'm happy that you were able to visit.
Well, you're welcome. Are you alright?
Of course I'm alright. Why do you ask?
You know, these days you are full of surprises. I personally told you that girl, Nkechi, can never make a good wife. What has gotten into you?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, wait. Let me ask you. Are you not feeling somehow like you are missing something?
Hilary, just listen to me. I suggest you go and find a girl and settle down. So you can start to enjoy bliss of marriage. Yes, I think you're not just thinking very well. Yes. I've never been happy the way I am now.
Baby, don't worry. Don't worry. Baby, don't worry.
Hey.
Don't worry.
Now let me warn you. Let today be the very last day you step this your two left leg into my husband's house to talk rubbish. Are you mad or something?
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? Like I've lost my sanity or what? Like you don't know what I'm talking about. You came into my husband's house and you're telling him to throw me out as what? Are you mad?
You tricked my friend to marry you. After your history, right? You!
What is your business about my history? It's my life and my business, so it has everything to do with me. So leave me alone. What is wrong with you? How dare you come into my house to spew nonsense? To tell my husband how to live with me? Are you mad?
God forgive you.
God forgive you too. And let today be the very last time you come into this house. Useless man. Look at him. Hey. I'm off here. Honey, what seems to be the problem? I was talking to you and you walked out on me. What is it?
I don't understand anymore. I am becoming tired of this whole thing.
Why are you tired and what don't you understand? I mean, what haven't I done to please you? What? I do literally everything just to make you happy. I satisfy you in every way. So what seems to be the problem?
Children. I want children. I am tired of doing things without seeing the result. Give me a child.
But honey, it's not my fault. Children are gifts from God. And in due time, ours will come. All we need to do is to be patient.
Patience. Till I start using walking stick, right? Then you'll be happy. I'm impatient. Every day I go out and see my mates with children. I come back home and meet nobody. I meet no children.
Honey, can you calm down? Can you calm down? This is what you have to pray and ask God for. You don't have to get all worked up. Honey? I understand entirely what my daughter is passing through. She is supposed to have many children by now.
You are not God. These children made their choice. It is possible they are using birth control. Either they don't want children and you're here killing yourself.
Bets, Guinea. Control. Here. That cannot be possible. Don't mind this Oyibo and their way. Eh? Nkechi is young. Her husband is young too. So they need children. Even if they don't. Me, I want grandchildren. But I know they need children. In a same birth control.
Nem, you are right. God gives children in his own time. But all the same, if you are in a hurry, I have a better place I will take you to. That is if you are interested.
Charge you! Charge you! Listen, I hear you, sir. Woman, your daughter is the cause of our problems. She has wronged so many people, and in so doing, she incurred curses upon herself. Curses from the land, sea, air. She is doomed.
Hey, have you seen it? Eh? Have you seen these children? Nkechi will not kill me. Eh? I have been complaining about her character. Thank God you are a witness and God is my witness. Eh?
Woman, your daughter must be brought to the sacred ground for cleansing. By so doing, she will hear the cry of a baby now. And it will bring happiness, wealth to our family. Charge your holy mother! Descend. I hear.
Thank you, man of God. Thank you.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, man of God.
Charge Jehovah!
God forbid. Mama, what are you saying? You made me rush out from my house only to hear this. Do you want my husband to throw me out? He detests such thing. No, don't even talk about it. I cannot go to any prophet's house. Please.
He does not need to know about it. Please, my daughter, have mercy on me. I want to carry my grandchildren now that I'm stronger.
Eh? Mama, you will carry your grandchildren. All you need to do is to pray for me, pray for your child. Children will come. They are gifts from God, Biko. I don't like what you're saying. No. See, Mama, I don't want to lose my home. Biko.
Nkechi. 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 How many times did I call you? You see, all these things you are now enjoying will become another woman's own if your husband happens to go out there and pregnant another lady.
Chukwuaju.
Amen.
He dare not. Mama, that man you see there is my husband and my own alone for life.
Amen.
He's going nowhere.
Amen.
You made me run out of the house as if there was something very important you need to tell me. Look at me. Mama, man about the
I know you have children of your own. It is not under contest. See, no, please, just don't do it for yourself. Do it for me, your mother.
I also need it.
Follow me. Let's go and see that man, that prophet. Please.
I see large gathering in the cloud. Your blessings, all your blessings, which are being heard of by the curses upon your life, are well represented. Do you understand?
I very much understand.
What do we do?
Simple thing. Items needed to be bought for the cleansing. That will be performed under the sun to flush all the curses upon your life.
So what next?
We will connect the list and give him the money so that he will buy the items since we won't have time to wait.
Better, Mama.
Charge, Papa, holy one. Charge.
Raymond hasn't returned yet. What? This is quite unlike him. And his number is switched off. The Raymond I know does not switch his phone off like that. What is the problem? What is... Scared. You didn't come back home last night. I was so worried about you.
I'm so sorry, dear. You know, I was so busy in the office. I had meetings with some foreign business partners.
And you never cared to call your wife? Why would you do a thing like that? Whatever you were doing, you should always have it in mind that you have a wife at home. You should always notify me when something like this comes up. I was so worried about you.
I know. I'm so sorry, my love. Okay? It won't happen again.
Better not.
How are you?
And I am not fine. And to make matters worse, you switched off your phone. That is quite unlike you.
I didn't notice that, you know, I was so busy. It's okay.
Let's hope you weren't with another woman.
No.
I'll kill the person.
No. It's okay, huh?
And I won't leave you.
It's okay. So, how are you?
Hey! Nemo, hurre, Oma. You go now. Sit. Hey! You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
Your husband is really taking good care of you.
Thank you, Mama.
But your mother did not mention your visit to me yesterday when we met.
Actually, Mama, we arrived very late last night and we couldn't come see you that midnight. As I was set to pay you a visit today.
Yeah,
she's even sleeping.
You did well, you did well. How is your husband?
He's fine. We both came down for his late mother's funeral.
Oh.
Yes, Mama. Mama, what of Nkechi? I hope you hear from her.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
But her childlessness is giving me a concern. I don't understand it. Honestly, I pity her most of the time.
Mama, you need to be calming down now. Before you give yourself high BP. Mama, I took in late 9 months ago after my marriage. Relax. Remember that God gives. Nkechi will soon give birth. Mama, yeku wan kegi.
Amen.
Yeku ejima. Yeku.
God will do it. I believe
Relax.
that.
Calm down. On them.
Come be to a can of warmer. She looks like your husband. Though.
And like me too.
Like you.
Amen. Mama Nkechi will give birth to twins. What shall I say?
Are you alright? Huh? Sorry. Take it easy. Really? Are you alright?
How can I be alright? I've been vomiting. And I've been feeling so dizzy of late. I don't know what is wrong with me. I just finished treating malaria. I don't know.
No,
Honey,
wait. We need to get to the hospital now. Doctor needs to check you out. Yes. Come on.
Wait. Dizziness? And I've been vomiting? These are signs of pregnancy. I am pregnant.
Pregnant? Are you sure?
Of course, honey. There are signs of pregnancy, vomiting, dizziness, and...
Then I am going to be a father. Yes. Woo! This calls for celebration. No. We need to celebrate this now. Yes.
Never wanna see you cry. Never wanna see you sad. Anytime I do bad, no doubt to tell me there's no need to be shy. I know say me I don't be perfect, man. No.
Wait. Like I said, the charm is very effective. The man you seek will eventually marry you. Both of you will live happily. But do not try to take it for him.
I'm sorry, wise one. I do not understand the last part.
There should be no cry of a baby in your home. Don't ever try to take it for him.
But why? I'm sorry, wise one, but please, if this is the condition, then I do not want to continue with this. Wise one, the beauty of every home is for someone to have children. I really want to have children. Oh. If it is like this, I don't want to do again. Oh.
Ah! Mind your tongue.
Forgive me, wise one, but I am speaking the truth. I am saying this from my mind. I cannot be married without a child. What is the essence of marriage now?
There will be severe consequences.
I cannot be... No.
We have to celebrate now. Come on.
Honey, no need to jump into conclusion. I need to confirm this, okay? I need to be sure that I'm pregnant.
Baby, come on. But you've confirmed it already.
I haven't gone to the hospital. I need to see a doctor. Where's your car key?
Babe, but
I need a car key.
you're pregnant. You've confirmed it already. Babe, open.
No heart belongs to me. Says I'll give up you more.
Wise one. Hey, wise one, I'm finished. The worst has happened. I told you I didn't want to do this, but you insisted. Now I am pregnant.
Then you have to face the consequences of your action.
Wise one, please, you have to help me. You really have to help me. I don't know what else to do. I don't know who to run to. I love my husband and I love my marriage. I can't lose it. Not now. Please.
Nothing can be done. I warned you.
I know you warned me. Manabiko, so I beg you, please, help me. Help me.
Alright, I will help you.
Hey. Thank you, wise one. Ha! Okam CJ. Okamake CJ. Mbano. Mbamba. Hey. Biro wechi amochi. Wise one.
Take this. Once you get to your house, take it straight to your bedroom. Put it under your pillow. Once your husband rests his head on the bed, his love for you will increase.
Wise one, what could I have done without you? Thank you so much for everything. I will come and appreciate you much later.
One more thing. He must not be the first to see you. And your time starts now. A fitting time saves 9. You can go.
What's going on? She's not picking her calls. I think something is wrong with her. What's going on? Okay, go on.
Hello? Ogo. How are you?
Mama, I'm fine. And you?
My son. I am fine, no, I thank God. How is Kechi, my daughter?
Oh, she's fine, but not too long she went out. She went to the hospital. I've been trying to reach her, but not available.
Did you say hospital?
Yes, Mama.
What happened?
Mama, calm down, okay? Just calm down. She's having these symptoms, so we thought it might be a pregnancy.
Eh? Did I hear pregnant? Hey, Chukudalu, oh God, I thank you. Thank you, God. Hey, pregnant. Hey.
Okay, Mama. I said let me call and greet you.
Please, my son, just take everything easy. You know, God will perfect everything. Eh? It's okay.
Hey! Honey, from where? Honey, what? Honey, what?
What are you talking about? You're my husband.
Just stop it. Stop it before I slap you now. What are you doing in my house?
You are my husband. I don't, if this is a joke, I don't like it.
Hey. Well, you see, look at her, laughing. Where is Oliver? Where is Oliver? I'm asking you, what are you doing in the house?
Huh? Oh, Tiwa.
Will you just shut down your mouth and answer my question?
Oh, Tiwa!
What's that?
Oh, Tifuru.
Meaning?
In
case I'm talking to you.
Get away, shampoo! Oh, Tifuru. Oh, Tiwa.
From where to where?
Oh, Tiwa.
Don't try it.
Ngechi.
Oh, Tiwa. You didn't Tiwa there.
Oh, Tifuru. Ashiri mu no Tifuru. Oh, Tifuru. Get away, shampoo! Get away, shampoo! Get away, shampoo! Oh, Tifuru. Get away, shampoo! Get away, shampoo! Oh, Tifuru. Get away for shampoo. Hey! Get away for shampoo. Oh, hey! Oh, Tifuru. Raymond, you will tell me what to do to my daughter.
What?
You will tell me you have used her for ritual. You ritualist.
Mama, let go of me. I did not do anything to your daughter. I did not do anything to her.
Leave this man alone. Leave him alone. What's wrong with you?
Mama, Tifuru. Oh, Tifuru. But Raymond is innocent. No, I don't agree. She don't know what she is saying.
Everything that has been happening to me, I caused it.
Nkechi.
What did you just say, Nkechi? What are you saying?
Mama, I love Raymond. I love Raymond. Raymond loves me. Until that stupid girl came into this village. I wanted to take my Raymond from me. With my baby. I wanted to take my Raymond away from me. I had to take a bold step. I took a bold step. Hey, I took a gigantic step into the world beyond. You know what? You're a full-grown woman who has lost all her sense of decorum. Look at this one. You call yourself a city girl. Still yet, common English language you cannot speak. Look at me. You looked at me from head to toe and called me decoration. You cannot speak English. And now let me tell you, it is you and your entire family that are decoration. Do you understand? And let me tell you, you cannot take my man. You cannot take Raymond away from me because all the packaging you think you have, I have more than it. Look baby. Look at my baby. You have a bowl. I have a bowl. It's at home. Even my baby talks. Hey, I pass you in every round. One less something. Hello. Let me tell you. Oh yeah. What is it? You are really a moron. I'm telling you the truth. You're a village champion. So let me tell you, if you think my Raymond, my own Raymond, we abandon all of this and come for you. You are a big joker. I may have to educate you one bit. Before you talk to me next time, you have to clean up yourself very well. Because for now, you smell like a croaker fish. Look at this thing. Hey, you are calling me a fish. Now let me tell you, you are nothing but Pala, Parapasa, Oboroko, and Mangala. All of them, that is what you are. Look at this winchy. Winchy! You think you can come from the city and use your juju and take my man? You cannot. All the things you think you have, I have more than it. Are you finer than me? Do you know how much I bought this makeup? Can you buy it? Now, for now, I'm done with you. But just have it in mind that Raymond can never come for you. Now listen, you cannot stop me here and say you are done with me. I can only tell you when I am done with you.
Kitchen. So you did all this? You also manipulated me into marriage and ruined my years. I pray you get mad more. And rot in hell.
Come now. Come on.
Nkechi. Otifuru kwena. Otifuru. Otijakwa. Otiriye. Otirireti. Otifuru papa. Otiwakwana. Oh, that's for.
Never wanna see you cry. Never wanna see you sigh. Anytime I do bad, no fail to tell me. There's no need to be shy. I know say me I no be perfect man, no, but for your sake I go try to be the man of your dream, girl. I won't take you for a ride, but I go take you away, far away, so that you go there by my side. Sometimes I know what to say, but your beauty they make me the lock up. I'm every day, my day, and I pray to God make I no mess up. Baby, don't worry, baby, don't worry. Never wanna see you cry, never wanna see you sigh. Anytime I do bad, no fail to tell me. There's no need to be shy. I know say me I no be perfect man, no, but for your sake I go try to be the man of your dream, girl. I won't take you for a ride, but I will take you away, far away, so that you go there by my side. Sometimes I know what to say, but your beauty they make me the love girl. I'm every day, my day, and I pray to God make I no mess up.
But I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me, so give up your love. I will never let you go. So give up your love.
Who is it? Hey. Mary. Wise. So nice. Good to see you. I've been trying your line for a long time now. It's not been going through.
I'm sorry, I was out of the country, but I got your message. Sorry about that, but I'm happy that you're free now.
Hilary, being free is not the ultimate. It is the aftermath that is the main thing.
Wait, trust me, you survived far much better than before. Okay? Let's chill now. Okay, you're not all alone here, and here's Bob. Let's hang out.
I love peace and tranquility. I don't just want to go anywhere.
Ray, you need to move on. You cannot continue hiding in your shell. It's not good for your business. You need to move on, man.
I can't just do anything without Olivia. She was the center of my happiness. How could I have allowed such a thing to happen?
You're not in control of yourself. Okay? And besides, everything happened for a reason, so it's nothing.
Nkechi has no reason to come in between two people that love themselves. She was just jealous.
Remember, I warned you. Okay? But that's past tense. The main thing now, you need to move on. Because Olivia moved on since she noticed that you're going out with Nkechi, so you need to move on.
Hilary, please, speak no more, okay? I can't bear the guilt.
It's past tense. Alright? Okay?
I'm strong, by the smiling of your lips, it'll make my heart go. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, 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 ting-a-ling-a-ling, it'll make my heart go. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, it'll make my heart go. It'll make my heart go. Ting-a-ling-a-ling,
Nemo! You're welcome. Good afternoon. Look at you. How are you?
I'm fine, Grandma.
Yeah.
How is your health?
Oh, I'm okay. My son, you're
Greeting,
welcome.
Grandma.
Greetings to you too.
How is your head, Mom?
Oh, I'm getting better.
Alright.
You're really taking good care of my granddaughter.
Of course.
Yes, I told you. I told you he's special. You hardly find men like this these days.
Grandma, you make him to start feeling on top of the world.
Oh, really?
Come on, darling. What is it? Are you jealous? Yeah? Now tell me, who is your Prince Charming?
Of course, it's you.
So what are we talking about here?
Oh, dear, let us go inside, Prince Charming.
All right, Mommy.
No, let's go inside. I watch a woman.
I see my woman now looking good.
Well, go why you're not queer.
You came into my life. I feel so complete. I will never ever let you go. Angel, you are the apple of my eyes. You the brightening of my head like the sun. I'm strong.
Hello, Hilary. What's up? Are you positive about it? It's okay. I'll see what I can do about that.
girl, you are the apple of my eyes. You the brighten up my day like the sun. I'm strong, let the smiling of your lips. You the make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Yeah, you're the apple of my eyes. You the brighten up my day like the sun. I'm strong, let the smiling of your lips. You the make my heart go.
Grandma, you have to come and stay with us. We will take very, very good care of you.
I know you would. But I would rather stay back in my house. I don't want to be a burden to anyone.
Ah, come on, Mama. Who said you are going to be a burden to anybody? Eh? Of course, we'll be delighted to have you in our home. Eh? Oh, darling. After all, I have enough money to take care of you.
Mama, you have helped me with horse's mouth, so...
No problem. I will sleep over it. Let me think about it. And I'll get back to you both.
There is no problem, Mama. You have enough time to think about it. But I don't want you to tell us no. Eh? Yeah.
Hey, I think it's you.
How's my baby doing?
Fine, baby. Hey, Mama. That reminds me. When we are coming, I saw someone that looks like Nkechi running mad. I was trying to see if she was the one, but she was acting strange. Is she the one?
It is Nkechi.
My goodness.
She tried to charm the young man to marry her, and it all backfired.
My goodness. Raymond! Yeah.
You know, I don't understand children of nowadays. They think they must charm someone to marry them. It doesn't work that way. Huh?
If I may ask, who is Nkechi?
One young lady we saw running mad when we are coming.
Is it that one we saw in that place we were
Yes, baby. Mama, you telling me the truth? I thought as much. Everything is now coming back. Everything that happened that day. Oh my goodness. This world.
Nobody is ready.
It's not that No, take it easy. Come on, Mama, I'm not about it. Mama, this you're telling me is just having some. Are you serious? That will get you. I won't.
Please, I want us to talk. I've searched all over for you. Olivier, I've been through a lot for the past few years. And I feel very guilty the way I treated you.
It's alright. That's in the past now. The trauma was so much on me. So I couldn't bear it. I had to leave to the city immediately. My father made sure of that. At first, I thought I was not going to survive it. But here I am.
That's good. Are you happy?
You want the truth?
Yes, and nothing but the truth.
Sweetheart, I am very, very happy. So I pray you get some happiness like you think.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Take it easy.
You're not even picking your calls.
Huh? I'm sorry, baby. We had a lot to talk about. I'm sorry.
But you should have known that you have loved ones waiting for you here.
Baby. Oh, God. Baby, you know I'm so grateful to have somebody like you as my husband.
Hey.
I'm so gifted, baby. Someone that is always there to protect me, to stand for me, baby. I love you so much, baby.
You struck the code again. I love you.
I love you. Where is Grandma?
She's inside waiting for you. Let's
okay.
go.
But I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me, so give up your love. I will never let you go. So give up your love. I will never let you go. I am going nowhere. But I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me. But I am here to stay, fighting for my rights. Your heart belongs to me, so give up your love. I will never let you go. So give up your love. I will never let you go. When I need you, I will never let you go. Fighting for my love. I'll never let you go. I am going nowhere. hear the